Hey love bugs. Oh my god, I haven't been on here. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so quick little update. I've been super busy with Villas Beauty, and just trying to figure out some new shit and ways to like get Villas Beauty exactly where it is that I need it to be. That is exactly why I have not been on YouTube as much, well, pretty much at all. But I feel like I really want to document this holiday season and just see how everything goes, because I've been coming out with so many good products and I've been getting so many good feedback on our products. So it's like, okay, Rose, you need to get the ball going and get together, right? So right now what I am doing, I am packing up our first wholesale order. So if you guys don't follow Villas Beauty on social media, I decided to do wholesale lip glosses. I've been getting tons of requests about like wholesale and compliments on how great our lip glosses are and how much people love them and how they use it every day and all that good stuff. So I was just like, okay, why not help other small businesses? I'm already in my third year in business with Villas Beauty, so I was just like, why not? Like, I feel like I'm at the position to help others, and I've had people inquire about wholesale before, so I was just like, why not, right? Like, let's just do it. So that is what we're doing. I've already had our holographic one already done and made. I just remixed it and I had to add the fragrance because this customer wanted fragrance. So that's the only reason why it's not in the jar. I just wanted to remix it again, make sure the consistency is exactly what it needs to be. I needed to add one of our special ingredients that I actually use in my own lip glosses. The wholesale lip glosses are not exactly the same as our velvet glosses, but they are very close to our velvet glosses. So we're still giving you quality product. So the next one I'm gonna be doing, that's why I was like, let me just turn my camera on. And I am using my phone, you guys, because as always, my camera battery is dead or about to die because I was taking product pictures yesterday. So I'm gonna just plop you guys up, and we're gonna do the red one. So she ordered a holographic wholesale gloss and a red wholesale gloss, and then she's gonna be getting the mango dragon fruit lemonade scent for that gloss. So I'm gonna pop it, guys. Right? Okay. Y'all could see. Okay, so yeah, now we're gonna get, and mind you, the glass is not dirty, just so you guys know, but I am gonna like re-wipe it because it has like watermarks. Oh, here it goes. I'm just gonna wipe it again because it does have watermarks on it and whatnot, so, but it's not a dirty glass. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna mix the pigments in here, and to get the red shade that we have for our for our red one is it's a red gloss with a blue undertone, so it's like a blue red. Is that the right word? No. So that is the one I will use. I do have my gloves here. I need some coffee. Give me a second. I need a sip of some coffee. And I'm honestly trying to hurry up and do this, like, because I packed up my other order. So I need to do this, pack it up, and head to the post office because my son does get out of school today early. So yeah, you guys, we are trying to get going. Trying to do this thing quick, okay? So let me just put my gloves on. Actually, yeah. Just gonna wipe them off because it has a little bit of lip gloss on them. Not too much, but just a little bit. But our fall scents, you guys, this video is going to be up before our holiday butters come out, just so y'all know. But our holiday butters are coming out. I always start off with a white base, just so you guys know. But our holiday butters are coming out Friday. Today's Wednesday the 2nd. So our holiday butters are gonna come out. Yeah, these gloves are not it right now. My hands are clean, by the way, you guys. So I take my blue pigments. Take literally just a little bit because it doesn't need much. I need to order some pigments because I'm almost out. Okay. So this is one of the oils that I use, grapeseed oil. Just gonna go ahead and just put a little bit. Okay. So this came out as a purple, so I have to add more red because I added too much blue. This is why I said only a little bit of blue, because you don't really need a lot. So we're gonna have to amp up this red and probably amp up some white. So lighten it up. This is all trial and error, you guys. I'm gonna do the red first and then we'll do this because I don't want to waste this. It's actually a really, really pretty color. I'm just gonna pour this in here. And we're gonna start over. This time we're just gonna focus on the red and add the blue in after, because I definitely fucked up. This can be another nice fall shade. Definitely messed that one up. Okay, so let's try this again. Can't really see it, but so I'm gonna add more of this red. Oops. I just spilled. It's hitting, but it's not hitting. You guys can't really see it because I have this mess. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try this again. This time, we're just gonna use red pigment. Because I don't know where we're wrong. I know that I did use blue and I used white when I first made the color, but today it was not, it's just not, yeah, not giving. So let's do this. I'm gonna start with just the red and then work our way in with the other pigment. I'm gonna swatch it. Definitely gotta mix it just a little bit more. But I'm gonna swatch it to see. So, okay, I really had high hopes when I mixed the pigment in.
like I said, the shade is correct. That's the red shade that it's supposed to be. But the pigment wasn't there. And then, like, instantly, the freaking gloss, like the base, just became super, like, frothy and whatnot. Like, you guys are gonna see in the next clip. But it just became super frothy. So it's like I feel like I put too much of one of the other oils, because I've had this happen to me before. I think I was just like thrown off, honestly. Like, I think I was just having a bad day for making gloss because it just wasn't hitting. It wasn't hitting at all. I end up running out of red pigment. So I am going to order more so that this customer can, get her stuff. Thank God she was super understanding. I did reach out to her, but I was super disappointed. Like, very, very disappointed. I got extremely frustrated. Um Honestly, after filming this video, I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to the post office and drop off this package because, yeah, I just was not having a great day to make lip gloss because clearly, as you guys can see, I messed up 3 times. 3 times. It's ridiculous, but it happens. This is just what happens when you formulate your own stuff, you make your own products. You mess up sometimes. Sometimes you have good days, sometimes you have bad days. So that is what happened to me. I had a really bad day for making lip gloss. But obviously I took a step back, I took a break, and then I got right back to it. And I got it to exactly how I needed to get it. You guys didn't see in camera, but I got it right. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to give you guys some like raw footage of like what really happens behind the scenes and everything. Like, everything isn't always so good and peachy and runs smoothly. So yeah, you guys saw, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
So this is what the red one looks like. It kind of looks really frothy. It's just, yeah, I don't know. I noticed that it switched up when I add the oils, so I may have just added a little bit too much of one of the oils, because this is what it's supposed to look like. See how smooth that looks? Yeah, so we're gonna try again and see what happens, but this just, it's not it. The color, the swatch of the color, like the way it looks, this is supposed to, yeah, that's the red it's supposed to look like. But if you see on the spoon how light that is, it's not supposed to be that light. So this is just what happens. This is the process of a business owner. So yeah, I'm gonna try again. I'll figure it out, and this is gonna be the end of this video, because what I don't want is to continue to like mess up. This is a lot of lip gloss. It's going to the garbage. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys later.